Hello, welcome friends, me Anila. The topic of my discussion is sound waves. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Friends, is in this video I will tell you why we cannot hear the sound of ants. First of all, sound waves are longitudinal waves. That means they don't have electric or magnetic field. They require a medium to travel. It means they cannot travel in a vacuum. So they require a medium. Either it is water, either it is air. We cannot hear the sounds that ants make because they are outside of the human range of hearing. Human can hear frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Why we cannot hear sounds that ants make? Because that sound which ants make is outside of our range of hearing. We can hear frequency. What is frequency? It is vibration per second. Human can hear frequency of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. On the other hand, the range of frequency sound that ants make is 30 Hz to 60 kilohertz. That is beyond our hearing range. We cannot hear the sounds of fission and fusion reaction of sun because sound waves cannot travel in space. But we can see sunlight because light waves can travel in vacuum. First of all, sound waves are longitudinal waves. Light waves are transverse waves. Sound waves require a medium to travel. Since our space is not a medium, so sound waves cannot travel in space, so the fission and fusion reaction of sun we cannot hear. On the other hand, we can see sunlight because light waves do not require a medium, they can travel in space or vacuum. Sound waves travel faster in steel than in air because steel is more elastic than air. Because sound waves appears due to the disturbance, so since the elasticity of steel is greater than air, so sound waves travel faster in steel than in air. Fish hear better in deep water because sound waves travels faster, and since sea is denser medium, so light waves travel slowly. In deep water, the fish can communicate with each other very easily because sound waves travels faster in water and in deep sea. And since sea is denser medium, it means the density of sea is greater. So that's why light waves travel slowly. So deep in the sea, light waves travel slowly. So deep in the sea is darker. During raining, we see lightning before we hear thunder because speed of light is much greater than speed of sound. Light, which is a transverse wave, sound, which is a longitudinal wave. Sound waves have no electric or magnetic field. Light waves have magnetic and electric field. Transverse waves, that is light waves, has much greater speed than speed of longitudinal or sound wave. Due to this reason, during raining, we see lightning before we hear thunder because the speed of light is much greater than speed of sound. In this way, sound waves and light waves travel. Friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thanks.